Welcome to Paris, the city of light and timeless romance. With its iconic landmarks, rich history, and vibrant culture, Paris is a traveler's dream. From awe-inspiring architecture to picturesque streets and world-class art, this city has it all. In today's journey at Passport Pathways, we'll explore the 10 best places you absolutely must visit in Paris. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or a hopeless romantic, Paris will leave you enchanted. Let's dive in. No visit to Paris is complete without the Eiffel Tower. Built in 1889, this iron masterpiece is not only a symbol of Paris, but also of human ingenuity. Standing 330 meters tall, it offers unparalleled views of the city from its observation decks. Stroll through the Champs-Élysées gardens, where the tower becomes a stunning backdrop for photos. Visit at night to see its dazzling light show, a magical experience that perfectly captures the spirit of Paris. Next, we step into the world's largest art museum, the Louvre. Home to over 35,000 works of art, including the enigmatic Mona Lisa and the majestic winged Victory of Samothrace, the Louvre is a testament to human creativity. But it's not just the art. The museum itself is a masterpiece with its blend of historic architecture and modern design. Allocate a full day to truly immerse yourself in its galleries. Whether you're an art connoisseur or a casual admirer, the Louvre will leave you in awe. Notre-Dame Cathedral stands as a Gothic masterpiece and a symbol of Paris's enduring resilience. Despite the fire of 2019, its awe-inspiring architecture and spiritual significance remain intact. Admire its detailed sculptures and gargoyles, then step inside to marvel at the rose window, a kaleidoscope of color and light. Climb to the top for breathtaking views of Paris, where you can almost hear the echoes of Victor Hugo's Quasimodo ringing the bells. Montmartre is a bohemian paradise, once home to artists like Picasso and Monet. Wander its cobbled streets to discover vibrant art studios and quaint cafes. At its summit stands the Sacré-Cœur Basilica, a stunning white-domed church offering panoramic views of Paris. Inside, the basilica's golden mosaics inspire awe, while the surrounding streets hum with creativity and charm. It's a place where history and art collide, creating a uniquely Parisian experience. The Seine River is the lifeblood of Paris, winding its way through the city's most iconic landmarks. A river cruise is a must, offering a romantic perspective of Paris's beauty. Admire the ornate Pont Alexandre III, the historical Pont Neuf, and the many other bridges that tell stories of the city's past. At sunset, the Seine becomes a canvas of colors, perfect for an evening walk or a dreamy boat ride. Housed in a former railway station, the Musée d'Orsay is a haven for art lovers. It showcases works from the Impressionist and Post-Impressionist eras, with pieces by Monet, Degas, and Van Gogh stealing the spotlight. The museum itself is a work of art, with its sweeping arches and iconic clock window, offering breathtaking views of the city. It's a quieter alternative to the Louvre, but no less impactful. A short trip from Paris brings you to the Palace of Versailles, a symbol of royal extravagance. Once the seat of French kings, the palace dazzles with its hall of mirrors, ornate chambers, and legendary gardens. Walk in the footsteps of Louis XIV as you explore this UNESCO World Heritage Site. Don't miss the musical fountain shows, where water and light combine to create a spectacle worthy of royalty. The Champs-Élysées is Paris's most famous avenue, lined with luxury boutiques, cafes, and theaters. At its western end stands the Arc de Triomphe, a towering monument honoring French soldiers. Climb to its rooftop for a unique perspective of Paris's layout, with the Eiffel Tower and other landmarks in view. Whether you're shopping, dining, or simply soaking in the atmosphere, this iconic avenue is a must-see. Sainte-Chapelle is a hidden gem that often leaves visitors speechless. This Gothic chapel is renowned for its 15 towering stained glass windows, depicting over 1,000 biblical scenes in vivid color. As sunlight filters through, the chapel becomes a celestial masterpiece. Located on Ile de la Cité, Sainte-Chapelle is a spiritual and artistic treasure that shouldn't be missed. Luxembourg Gardens is where Parisians go to unwind. This 23-hectare oasis features immaculate lawns, tree-lined promenades, and charming fountains. Watch children sail toy boats in the Grand Basin, admire the Medici fountain, or simply relax with a good book under the shade of chestnut trees. It's the perfect place to slow down and savor Paris's tranquil side. From iconic landmarks to hidden treasures, Paris is a city that captivates the heart and soul. Which of these wonders will you explore first? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more travel adventures. See you in the next destination. Happy travels from us at Passport Pathways.